Please leave your message after the tone.
Hey, it's me. So, just wanted to call and catch up. Just spent the past couple of months in Italy. So our first stop was in Lucca, and honestly, it kind of snuck up on me. Endless narrow streets tucked inside ancient medieval walls. Super quiet this time of year. Felt like the whole city was still waking up. Gonna miss taking long walks on top of the wall. Oh, and we happened to stumble across some carnival celebrations, which was a nice little bonus. Then we headed to Cinque Terre. Still can't pronounce that place for the life of me. We started in Monte Rosso, and I have no idea what we did to piss off Neptune, but the sea was relentless. Waves were beating the shore like it was a personal vendetta. As dramatic as it was beautiful. The town's just hanging on to the edge of the cliffs, the beautiful, colorful buildings, the turquoise water. Stunning really doesn't cover it. And then there's Venice. You've only been telling us to go there for like forever, so you'll be happy to know we finally listened. It was everything you said. A total maze. Canals, bridges, streets that just loop back onto themselves. Best gelato we've had in all of Italy, by the way. And your advice to just wander and get lost? That's genuinely the only way to do it. Oh, and the fog? The fog here this time of year is something else. Mysterious, a little eerie, kind of romantic. Feels like you're walking through a spy movie. Anyway, this message is already way too long, so I'll go ahead and wrap it up. And I know you asked if we were still making videos. Short answer is yes, just doing things a little bit different these days. Talk to you later. Love y'all. Bye.